Hello and welcome to Engineering Simple. In this video, I'll show how to write the equation of a straight line that passes through at least 2 points. So let's assume we have point A with coordinates 1, 1 and B with coordinates of 2, 3. So you can represent them in the plane XY. So here's A, so 1, 2, we have 1, 2. So here's B and here's the line. So in general, the line equation is y is equal to some m slope times x plus an intercept b. So the slope m is equal to, so you can take, if you have 2 points, you have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and the order doesn't matter as long as you are consistent. If you put y2 here at the top, that means you have to put x2, the corresponding x2 at the bottom, or you can do y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1. So this here 3 minus y1, which is 1, divided by x2, which is 2 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's just 2. So this equation, I can write it as 2 times x plus b. Since A with coordinates 1, 1 passes through the line, I can substitute the values of x, y of A and calculate B. So y is 1 is equal to 2 times x times 1 plus b. So 1 is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 plus b. That means b is equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. So the equation of this line that passes through these points A and B can be written as y is equal to 2 times x minus 1. Since this line passes through the point B, let's see if it satisfies this equation. So B, its x is equal to 2 and its y is equal to 3. So let's substitute the values of x, y of B in this equation here. So 3 is equal to 2 times x, which is 2 minus 1. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. So they check, so 3 is equal to 3. So that's how you write the equation of a line that passes through 2 points. Thank you and have a great time.